Maybe you're like me and you've been putting off getting nicer t-shirts. Been wearing these Hanes shirts for years and years and years. I got some slightly better quality shirts at some point, but wasn't really satisfied with them. Finally decided to go splurge for me and get the Whitesville 2-pack t-shirts. It's basically $100 for 2 shirts, which sounds insane to me. I know there are lots of people that spend that much and more on t-shirts, and I just haven't been one of them. You know, I really like graphic tees, and so when I spend more money on a shirt, it tends to be a graphic t-shirt. So if you're in this boat of not being sure if this kind of shirt is for you, I'm right in there with you, and I'm just here trying it out. So in this bag, I got the 2-pack. We're gonna open it up and see what it looks like. I also have essentially the kind of shirt that I've been wearing, which I'm currently wearing, which is the Hanes tee. It's really an undershirt, almost disposable. It comes in a multi-pack, and it's basically $3 or $4 a shirt. So a really different experience I would expect from these Whitesville shirts. So if you didn't know, I'm about to start opening. These Whitesville shirts are really meant to be like a classic updated version of something like the Velvet Sheen shirt from the 50s. All right, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. This is the 2-pack. And let's see what they're like. Now, these shirts, from a sizing standpoint, everyone says you need to size up from your typical American size. Oh, it's already open. Isn't that something? I was not really expecting that. You just have to open it up a little bit. And there it goes. All right. They feel really nice, actually. I really like the packaging. Just the kind of brand vibes are straight out of those 50s that they're going for. And just kind of holding them next to each other, we're gonna do a quick comparison shot. This is 2 shirts, by the way, in my hand. Feels nice and heavy. You gotta throw this bag on the ground and stand on it. It's breezy out here. All right, so we'll take, are they folded into each other? Oh, oh my gosh. It is very luxurious. So these are the tees stacked on top of each other. Camera's moving around a little bit, so sorry if that got disorienting there. They feel super duper nice. And much nicer. I think that the kind that I got that were heavyweight Gustin tees maybe. And now obviously these Hanes tees have been washed a fair bit. I've had them for a while. Just putting them next to each other, it has an almost gray cast to it compared to the Whitesville Quali-T. I'm gonna put them next. Whitesville here, Hanes here. And I wanna show you, holding it up, the sheen and the color. These Hanes tees are significantly more see-through. Just looking here through the back of them, I can kind of see my car and other stuff on the other side of this camera straight through it. Not so much, just very slightly with the Whitesville tee. I'm gonna put it on. By all accounts, this shirt is gonna be oversized when I first put it on, but as you wash it, it shrinks somewhat. This is a large. I typically take a medium when it comes to tees. 5'9", 175 pounds, about a 40-inch chest. And this is gonna be big and long, and it will shrink a little tighter and apparently a lot more in length as you've washed it a few times. So let's put it on and see what it looks like on. All right, put it on. Just feels really nice on. As you can see, it's kind of long. I'll hold it up next to this Hanes tee again. You can see this Hanes tee comes in significantly shorter, but it's been washed and worn a bunch of times, and this Whitesville tee is gonna shrink some. Honestly, feels great on. Just putting it over my head, I was made aware of something which people do talk about, which is the way the collar is made on this shirt. It's almost two levels to it, and it kind of comfortably hugs the neck. It's not too tight. Feels like it's gonna be around for a while. right, so I washed this shirt. Yesterday I washed it on a warm cycle in my washing machine and drip dried it. So it fits a little bit differently, not hugely different, a little bit shorter, a little bit trimmer. I have to imagine over time that's gonna become more pronounced. So I'm gonna revisit this shirt after at least a few months to give some time to get those washes and wears in. I will say it is luxurious wearing this shirt. So just trying to get close in so you can kind of see. I really like the way the collar sits. I really like the way it feels on the arms and the length on the arms. And just in general, the quality of this cotton is really impressive. Everything about it just seems thoughtful. It's kind of funny thinking about a shirt in these terms, a t-shirt that is, but it's just nicer. So if you have any questions about this Whitesville Quali-T, my kind of initial impressions, more details about the washing that I did, any of that kind of stuff, just hit me up, and hope you have an awesome day.